What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I am back to one of my favorite locations. This was actually my very first favorite location. Isn't that cute with the snow? And they've recently redone the storefront. And next door, you guys, there's an Aldi and it's super nice. Anyways, I love coming to this location. So let's head in and see what's new. All right, you guys. Ooh. These are new. The little jewelry boxes. All the Valentine's Day items. We have a display from LA Colors. I know I've shared these with you guys before. Okay, I wanted to tell you guys about the silicone molds that I grabbed. The little heart silicone molds. They are so good. I used them already. I put them in my dehydrator and I made some little cornstarch molds for my second channel, and they turned out so cute. I bought 2 packs. You get 3 in a pack, but I think they would be perfect for cupcakes or whatever sort of little crafts you want to make. Soaps maybe. Ooh, so pretty. Look at the purple. That is really pretty. I know you guys have probably seen a lot of this. This is only my second time coming out to Dollar Tree where it's been like super stocked. So I don't want to spend too much time showing you guys a lot of things that you've already seen. Ooh, I love these clear bows. That is so cute. The clear and the purple are my favorite.
Hello?
Oh my gosh, you guys, what's over here? Oh, look at these. These are so cute. The strawberry. I love the pears. Aww. Okay, so we have this set.
Well, what kind of wood are you looking for?
Then we have these.
Well, are you talking the pink or what?
Then we have these. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable with the heart glasses. So many stickers. Look at this one. With the cupcake. The koala. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have little bees. These are so cute. And I'm dropping things now. Uh-oh. I'm dropping things all over the place. You guys, these are so adorable. I really don't need any stickers, but I really want stickers. If I buy more stickers, it's just gonna go with my sticker stash and I'm probably not gonna use them, but I really want these. Table scatter. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. You guys, look, why are these over here by the window? These are so cute. These need to be where everyone can find them. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. Aww. These are so cute. This one is my favorite, I think.
Got you? And I don't know which sign y'all got you.
Be mine. Sorry, hon.
Nope.
Hearts and hugs.
I like you a lot. Love you always. You're cute.
Bless your heart. Wow, you guys, there's just so much. Ooh, and Easter stuff. Oh my gosh, look at these. To know you is to love you. We also have a smaller one. And then these are back, but they're totally different than last year. Okay, we have, I prefer my pets. I guess you'll do. XOXO, be mine. These ones are a lot bigger than some of the other ones I've seen. And then Easter items, the cute little tins. So cute.
I suppose you want me to get a couple of those too.
Table scatter with cute little LED lights. Aww. We have little glittered drapes in pink. Ooh, pink and yellow. These feel really nice. And green. The pink is so pretty. We have pink, and then this one is almost like a purpley one. But I really, really like the bright pink one a lot. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're back. The super pretty shells are back. These are so pretty, not just for Easter, but for like gift bags, stocking stuffers, summer birthdays. These are so pretty and reusable. Easter grass. And then we have all of our flowers and seeds, 4 for $1. 4 for $1. St. Patrick's Day items. Yeah, you guys, this video is just gonna have to serve as sort of an update for a lot of new things that are in for the week, because we just have a lot of new items. Easter, St. Patrick's Day, more new items for Valentine's Day. We have Valentine's Day candy, decor, just so many things. I saw those last week. The BFF and the You're Cool. I think they're just so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this little one. Aww. Little kitty dish. Oh, this one is a little, wait a minute. This one's a little like alpaca, and then that one's a little kitty. Oh, I like this one a lot. That one is so cute. Now this one doesn't have the little freckles or whisker holes or whatever. I guess that one's not a cat. I don't know. They're all really cute though. Super cute. I like this little circular thing they have here at this location. It's perfect for this sort of stuff. The white apples, the black. That thing is kind of cool. Little black structure. We have gold. We have these little round candles. You and me. All right, you guys, we have to start our very next video because there's a lot to look at. We even have Mardi Gras items. This year, Mardi Gras is March 1st. We have masks, party poppers, all sorts of little things for Mardi Gras. We have cups. We even have little tiaras. Those are pretty cute. But all right, you guys, join me in my very next video. We're gonna start probably down here by the makeup. I know you guys love the makeup aisle at this location. So join me here in Dollar Tree. We're gonna start at the makeup aisle and see what's new for the week. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.